This is another video on gutter cleaning off of a ladder. This gutter is not very dirty, but it does need cleaning. And all you do is the same thing, is remove the debris by hand, making sure not to scrape your hands real bad. It's always best to keep 3 points of contact when you're on a ladder. So if you can do it only one-handed, that's the best way to do it. A perfect scenario would be if we had a ladder with cattle horns that sit up on the shingles. This is not the best way because it can scrape or mar up the face of the gutters. But we've got these pads on here, it fits perfectly. The other thing that it can do is if you have too much weight on it, or these are weak, that they can crush in. So be very careful around gutters. The best case scenario is to stick a ladder right here with the cow horns that doesn't have any pressure on the gutters. But all you do is remove the debris by hand. You get about 95 or 98% of that and you're good to go. If you have any questions, ask your supervisor. Thanks.